You were born as a human being. Who knows how many chances you will get to be born as a human being? It's a precious thing. Look at how many people in the world, how many of them have such a difficult life, no food, suffering. They're born in the wartime. They're born with such difficult diseases and crippling diseases. You're not having those problems. You're having a emotional, mental difficulty, circumstances difficulty, relationship difficulty. So please don't just give up easily. Look at your forefathers. They went through hell of a life, but they did not let that affect them too much. Maybe it made them very grumpy, angry, frustrated, always scolding, always shouting, but they're living. They lived because they wanted you to be happy. They did everything for you, sacrificed everything for you. And now you just want to give it up